Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani, and today's date is 22nd of August 2022, and today's topic is wrapper classes in Java. So let's understand what is wrapper classes in Java. So this wrapper classes is the very important concept in Java which provides to convert the primitive into object and object into primitive. That means these wrapper classes in Java provides the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. Since J2SE 5.0 version, auto boxing and unboxing feature converts the primitives into object and objects into primitives automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into object is known as autoboxing, and the vice versa is the unboxing. Now let's understand the use of wrapper classes in Java. As we know that the Java is the object oriented programming language. So here in this Java language we have to deal with the objects. So here we need the objects many times, like in collection, in serialization, in synchronization, etc. So everywhere in the Java we need the object, as Java is the object oriented programming language. So so here we will see the uses of the wrapper classes. So first one is the change the value in the method. Java supports only call by value. So if we pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value. But if we convert the primitive value into the object, it will change the original value. The next one is the serialization. We need to convert the object into the streams to perform the serialization. If we have primitive value, we can convert it in object through the wrapper classes. Next is the synchronization. Java synchronization works with the objects in multi-threading. Java.util package. The Java.util package provides the utility classes to deal with the object. The next one is the collection framework. Java collection framework works with objects only. All the classes of the collection framework like array list, linked list, vector, hash set, linked hash set, tree set, priority queue, array queue deal with object only. There are 8 classes of Java language package are known as wrapper classes. So if primitive type is boolean, wrapper class boolean. Primitive type char, wrapper class character. Primitive type byte, wrapper class byte. Primitive type short, wrapper class short. Primitive type int, wrapper class integer. Primitive type long, wrapper class long. Primitive type float, wrapper class float. Primitive type double, wrapper class double. So also here there are concepts like autoboxing and unboxing. So autoboxing means the conversion of primitive type into wrapper class. Means suppose example primitive type char is converted into wrapper class character is the example of autoboxing. And unboxing means the conversion of wrapper class into the primitive type. That is, suppose the wrapper class is character, then the primitive type char. So convert the wrapper class into the primitive type is unboxing. Autoboxing and unboxing are the reverse functions. This is about the wrapper classes in Java. Thank you.